Others argue that lasagna is truly Roman. They highlight a dish called placenta, layers of dough with cheese and spices. Regardless of who invented it first, one thing is certain. Lasagna, as we know it today, found its true home in Italy. The layers, the sauce, the cheese, it's a testament to Italian culinary ingenuity. What makes a truly great lasagna? Is it the layers, the flavors, or the textures that come together in perfect harmony? It starts with the pasta, the very foundation of the dish. Fresh egg pasta, rolled thin and cooked al dente, is essential. This ensures that each layer is tender yet firm, providing the perfect bite. Then comes the sauce, a slow-simmered ragu, usually made with a blend of beef, pork, or veal. This sauce is the heart of the lasagna. The sauce is key. It infuses the entire dish with deep, rich flavor. Next, the cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano, with its sharp, nutty flavor, is a must. It adds a distinct taste that elevates the dish. Some recipes call for mozzarella too, for its gooey, melty texture that makes each bite irresistible. These ingredients are layered, one by one, creating a symphony of textures and tastes. Each layer is a step towards perfection. Each bite is a journey through layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese, a testament to the simplicity and brilliance of Italian cuisine. It's a dish that brings comfort and joy, a true classic that never fails to impress.
Section 4. A culinary tapestry, regional lasagna variations across Italy. Just like Italy itself, lasagna is a dish of regional diversity. In Emilia-Romagna, you'll find lasagna bolognese, featuring the region's famous meat sauce. Naples is home to lasagna napoletana, with meatballs, sausage, ricotta cheese, and often hard-boiled eggs. Head north to Liguria, and you'll encounter lasagna al pesto, where vibrant green pesto takes center stage. Each region has its own unique twist on this classic dish, reflecting local ingredients and culinary traditions. This regional diversity is a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of Italian cooks.
Section 5. Conquering the world, one layer at a time. Lasagna's global ascendancy. Lasagna's fame wasn't confined to Italy for long. This beloved dish, with its rich layers of pasta, cheese, and sauce, quickly captured hearts and taste buds far beyond its homeland. As Italians immigrated across the globe, they carried their culinary traditions with them, sharing their love for lasagna with new communities. Lasagna found new homes in North and South America, Australia, and beyond. Each region embraced it, adding their own unique twists. It adapted to local palates and ingredients, evolving into countless delicious variations. In the United States, lasagna became a staple of red sauce Italian-American cuisine, beloved for its comforting and hearty nature. It's a dish that's equally at home in a casual diner and a fancy restaurant, showcasing its versatility and universal appeal. Today, lasagna is truly an international dish, enjoyed by people of all backgrounds and cultures. From family dinners to celebratory feasts, it has earned a place at tables around the world, symbolizing warmth, togetherness, and the joy of sharing a meal.
Section 6. A legacy of love and comfort. Lasagna's enduring appeal. What is it about lasagna that makes it so universally beloved? Is it the rich, savory layers that meld together in perfect harmony? Or perhaps it's the way each bite offers a comforting blend of flavors and textures that feels like a warm hug on a plate? Maybe it's the comforting layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese. Perhaps it's the way it brings people together, a dish best shared with family and friends. Or maybe it's simply the fact that lasagna is delicious, a testament to the power of simple, high-quality ingredients. Lasagna is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of Italian culinary heritage. It's a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest. So next time you dig into a plate of lasagna, take a moment to appreciate its long and delicious history. It's a dish that has been bringing people together for centuries, and its appeal shows no signs of fading. From the bustling kitchens of Italy to family tables around the world, lasagna continues to be a beloved favorite. Whether it's a classic recipe passed down through generations or a modern twist on the traditional dish, lasagna's enduring appeal lies in its ability to evoke feelings of warmth, togetherness, and pure culinary joy. So, gather your loved ones, share a hearty slice, and celebrate the timeless magic of lasagna.